really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In this city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
Okay, we're in Chongqing. We're gonna go walk up this food street, see what kind of food they got, and I think it's gonna be kind of cool. So they got all kinds of interesting stuff. So. Hello. Sounds good. Thank you. So we'll just see what all they got. Looks like they got a lot of different stuff. So that's one of the first examples, and we're gonna just walk all the way up and show a lot more. So stay tuned. This, my friends, is my last night in Chongqing, the last video that I'm going to be doing, but it's actually number 37 because I'm going to be saving two other ones for 38 and 39. But anyways, that's the context of this particular video in Chongqing. We got it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We got some music so you can see that as well. And let's just get right into walk and talk time. Let's go check it out and let's enjoy the last night in Chongqing. All right, video number 37 of 39, two more. Chongqing. Okay, so the lights just come on, but we're still not sunset yet, because check out the blue sky still. But the lights are full on. So we're gonna try to capture all that we got here. And we got, those are really good, those little meat on a stick over there. These are pretty good too though. So it looks like I'll probably have to get something to eat in here because I just can't go wrong in this spot. I think this is kind of noodles and... Hello. Hello. Maybe. Wow. Here's a map of Chongqing at nighttime. Hello. Hello, how are you? So yeah, he's tourist travel. So he has boats and such like that. All right, thank you. He's very excited to talk to me. So let's see what else we got. Actually, that looks kind of interesting as well over here. This one kind of looks like a cheese dish. So they got fruit, but they also got mango. And this food street goes in different directions, so looks like we could go this way, of course, or we could go up the hill. Can't really go wrong either way. Hello. So let's just kind of meander over this way a little bit. So we could definitely go up a lot more, and there's also that way to the right as well. So I guess we're gonna keep on going straight. Welfare lottery, that's kind of everywhere. But if I go uphill, or I go down this side. I kind of want to go to the side. It just looks easier to go this direction and find something really tasty. But I think this whole street is a whole neighborhood area. You just kind of see. That one looks really tasty, but that looks like kind of a community pot. Fresh grilled fish. Might have to go uphill. I think I'm just gonna give like a sweeping view of what this looks like a little bit in here. And I'm gonna choose something to eat. Smells really good. Actually, this is one I really want to get, but I don't want to get it as a meal. I want to get it as a snack. Actually, hello. And then this one, of course, is good. I do like to get that one, but we're gonna go up the hill more. All the lights are on. Check out those neon chairs over there. So that's like a little popular noodle shop. Actually, it looks like a lot of people ate noodles just a little while ago. Hello. Hello. It looks good. I like how those neon tables, those neon chairs are pretty cool. So we're gonna keep on meandering up, and I got a little bit of uphill walking to do. That guy that's up in the backpack, he's been following me a little bit. He's just kind of listening to me interact with people as I film. Let's see. All of this just looks. Actually, what I kind of want to find is I want to find something a little bit spicy, but I want to have it like kind of like this, but not fried. Like I don't know what that is exactly, but it's not quite. I'll find the one that I'm looking for sure. A lot of people eat crayfish here. Got some restaurants. Nice places to sit as well. So I'll probably end up choosing one of these pretty soon. A lot of the menus are kind of the same, which means that you can just keep on walking because you're going to run into another one that looks kind of similar anyways. It's kind of interesting right there. A little bit different as well. Anyways, actually what I really want to find is beef and rice. Seems like it's usually beef and noodles. Let's see. This one has beer. Okay, so it looks like we're almost at the top. Yeah, it looks like we're almost at the top, so I'm gonna have to choose a place here real quick. It's kind of tasty as well. Let's see. Okay. So I think I basically came up as far as I want to go. Play a game. These look like a little bit like eating plus food. Froggy City. So I guess what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to walk back down, find somewhere to choose somewhere to eat, and that'll be it. And I kind of think I'm going to choose one on that side road. Maybe. Anyways, this is a little taste of Chongqing. Kind of relaxing going down here. The lights on. And I think on that note, I'm going to grab something to eat. So we're going to end our video for this one. Pretty soon we're going to have some nice food here. So I got my Coca-Cola, and then I'll have like spicy beef with rice, and I guess that's my tea right there, so I might actually get that ready as well. And the restaurant that we're at is right here. And I think the one that I got is it in here? Well, I'll definitely show it later. But these are all the different choices. As you can see, there's definitely the Sichuan style. We'll see it when it comes out. And I got this perfect table right here, and I'll be able to sit in this space, and I'll be able to enjoy this meal. And it's going to be really, really tasty. And we also got kind of the views as well. And stay tuned, and we're going to get some nice food, and then we're going to show you what it looks like. So we just watched this, and we watched this, and now we're going to dump that out. And we got some tea right here as well. And we're all kind of set up for the meal now. So, shishi. That was perfect. So that'll be where I'll put the rice and some of the food. So let's try some of the tea first. Actually, it tastes really good. Got a little bit of Alright. So just gave me some sunflower seeds to eat these while we're waiting. So I have to do it with one hand, but we'll grab that little seed out of there, and then we So we got a lot of food, so this is actually one giant one, so just give me some indication of how big that is. This is a soda. And then you got a big thing of rice as well, right? So that's like, it's like family size. Let me just kind of see if I can find the beef in here. Yeah, there's the beef, so that's what we're looking at. So, okay, should be pretty tasty though. It's definitely a lot. But we're gonna bring it on over and enjoy. Oh, that's huge. Wow. Okay. Okay, this is way more than I expected. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a little bit of beef out of that. That looks pretty spicy. I'm gonna put it there, and I got a little bit here. It's as spicy as it looks. And I'll grab a little bit of rice. Yeah. It's definitely spicy. But we're gonna eat as much as we can. So we'll see how we do. Thank you. Appreciate it. So that was really good. That was actually really cheap too. That was only let's take a look. Not even $5 American, and that was actually more like a family meal than anything. 47 yuan, which is about like $5 American. That's the sign for it. That's the restaurant. So it's up on this hill with all these other restaurants. Yin Yu Li. And it's kind of a restaurant street. So we're going to go down the restaurant street. But yeah, that was actually pretty tasty. That was a lot much bigger than I thought. I was expecting something, you know, like a single person dish, but it was more like a family dish to be shared. Anyways, that's a little bit of Chongqing, and I think this is the last video that I'll do at nighttime because it doesn't really, you can't really film that well at nighttime when it gets later like this. But anyways, another little slice of Chongqing nonetheless. I like all these neon chairs right there. Okay, so we're gonna end our video.
Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.